Doctor, I'm putting too much weight. I'm losing hair. And my son losing weight loss. And he's very hyperactive. What are the causes? Do you have any solution? Guys, this is Dr. Rambabu, your acupuncture doctor. Here, I'm going to talk today about only one thing which is now become as common factor among men and women, particularly women. What is that? Thyroid. Let's talk about what is thyroid, what is hyperthyroid, what is low thyroid. Hyperthyroid is called hyperthyroidism, low thyroid is called hypothyroidism. And how it can happen, how thyroid problems comes. In a hyperthyroidism, what problems comes? In low hypothyroidism, what problems comes? How do we fix it? Guys, first of all, let me tell you, a thyroid means it's there under the Adam's apple. That is called thyroid. When it is normal, you don't feel it. What is how thyroid problems comes? That's first of all we have to see. When you have iodine problem, when you have immunity problems, when you have autoimmune problem, then thyroid problems occur. And then hyperthyroid problems. Hyperthyroid. When your body produces too much thyroid, then it is called hyperthyroidism. That means high thyroidism. During this time, persons behave like a hyper. People can feel his energy. Oh my God, what is this guy? He's a very hyperactive. And you see those people, they're a little bit lean, weight loss. Don't try to be hyperactive. It comes because of thyroid problem. And the low thyroid, what are the symptoms like? Low thyroid means hypothyroid. That means when your body produces low thyroid, it's called hypothyroidism. What can happen in low thyroid? Always ladies come and complain, I have menstrual problems. I put on too much weight. So low thyroid. That means thyroid is not produced properly. So doctor, tell me, rather than running to here and there, is there anything I can eat properly to maintain my thyroid? Of course. Food is the medicine. Please remember, guys. Food is the medicine. Prevention is better than cure. Health is wealth. That is also one thing. You can eat milk. You can drink milk. You can eat cheese. If you are a non-vegetarian, better to eat tuna. It can have a good hold on thyroid issues. So we spoke about what is thyroid, what is hyperthyroid, what is low thyroid, what causes thyroid problems, and how to prevent it naturally. I told you. Guys, as a acupuncture doctor, traveled around the world, seen 95 countries, worked in a cruise ship, treated Americans, Europeans, a lot of multinationals. I've come across so many people with thyroid issues like high, low. I treated them. Acupuncture has really helped them. They changed their lives. It has given a balance. If you are using medications, please continue to do that, whether it's for high or low thyroid. But while doing so, continue my acupuncture. I tell you, you will see a change. There is no doubt about it. Acupuncture balances. WHO, World Health Organization, it mentions that acupuncture has been proven to be effective to treat more than 500 conditions without any side effects. It's like drugless therapy. Where is the medicine? No medicine. It makes your body to work for you. Hope my information is of little help. If you really like my information, if you really be carrying a little help from me, you just give a thumbs up, subscribe me, share it, motivate me, encourage me to do more this type of information to you. But it should be short. It will be short information. I do have a lot of work to do. Okay, I've taken my time to educate people with this channel. You can also suggest me in the comments, doctor, do this topic. Okay, I'm going to do this. I've taken a mission to do this every day at this time. If not today, at least tomorrow it will happen. If 2-3 days not happening, you can get more videos. Okay, thank you so much. There is a number there, you can call me and line up an appointment. See, I tell you, consultation is only a knowledge. Theory, consultation is only a knowledge. Treatment is the solution for your problem. Just line up an appointment, come and see me. Your problem is mine. Solution is to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.